10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Val, Bosque, Real, Falls, Hill, Limestone, McLennan, Milam, and Robertson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Real County in central Texas, northeastern Lampasas County in central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Hidcoke, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gatesville, McGregor, Evant, Fort Gates, Mother Neff State Park, Oglesby, and South Mountain. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast.